Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So you're trying to purchase something in-game on Freefire, but every time you're trying to purchase something, it asks for you to enter your password. Now you're wondering what password to enter, but wonder no more because we've got you. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Freefire app. As you can see, if I try to purchase something, it leads me to this window where I'll have to add my credit or debit card. However, if I've entered my credit or debit card information on my Gmail account, then it will ask for my login information. That is, it will give you a box where it will have the prompt to enter your password. In this case, what you're going to enter is you're going to enter your Gmail account's password. So the account that you're going to be purchasing the in-game item with, you enter the password and then tap on verify. However, if you do not remember your password, what you're going to do is you're going to go back and then open your Gmail and then make sure that the account that you're trying to purchase with is opened on your Gmail. After that, you tap on the profile icon that appears on the top right corner, then tap on manage your Google account. After that, you slide it to the right and then tap on security option. After that, you can see password, you tap on it. Now it will ask you to enter your password just like it did in the Free Fire game. However, since you do not remember your password, you can simply tap on forgot password link and then it will lead you to something like this where you'll be requested to enter your new password and then confirm your new password. After that, you simply tap on change password and your password for your Gmail account will be changed. Now, since you just changed your Gmail account's password, what you're going to do is you're going to open the Free Fire app again and tap on purchase an item after adding your credit or debit card on your Gmail account. Now you enter the password that you've just changed your Gmail's password to and then tap on verify. Then you can enable authentication for purchases. After that, you'll have successfully purchased your item in your Free Fire game and then you can simply go ahead and continue with your game. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below and thanks for watching.